Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for October 16 to 31, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa comment section. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Okay? So, kung meron kayong maririnig na ingay sa background ng bata na sumisigaw, pasensya na po. At yung anak ko, may mga times talaga na excite sa pinapanood niya. Anyway, let's see, Sag. What's the energy for you, October 16 to 31? Sagittarius. Okay. You have 5 of Cups, 4 of Swords. You are healing, Sag, no? Some of you nanggaling kayo sa isang loss or difficult situation. You may lost a job, lost an opportunity, or even loved one. But you'll get over this, no? Malalagpasan mo to, don't worry. You are exploring your new life. Maaring merong bagong opportunity sa'yo na nag-open. And some of you are healing from a painful relationship na matagal na, no? Kumbaga nandun kayo sa proseso na yon and malapit na kayong maka-recover, maka-move on. You're also taking care of yourself, focusing on your needs, and also sa productivity ninyo, no? You are becoming more productive. Marami kang mga creative ideas ngayon na gusto mong gawin, simulan. You are learning also. Pwedeng meron kang nire-research. You're becoming more curious kung paano mo mapaunlad yung sarili mo. Especially your finances, your career, your resources. Ayan. So, yung iba sa inyo, kahit na mahirap, sige lang, focus lang, go lang. Because at the end of the day, you will see the results of your hard work. Diba? Makikita mo yung resulta ng pinaghirapan mo. And then you have the Death card, which is about transformation, endings, and new beginnings. So, meron dito natatapos na. This can be a situation, a mindset that is no longer serving your highest good. And you are redirecting yourself to a new life, a new direction. Oo. So, some of you, pwedeng new relationship din to na matagal na kayong walang karelasyon and maaring meron kayong nakilala na ngayon na new person that you feel na ready ka na to open up dito sa person na to. Ready ka na mag-commit sa person na to. Ready ka na you know, to start all over again. Yes, so tinan mo, 2 of Cups and the Justice card. So, Justice card is also a major decision. It's pag-check talaga. Pag-analyze ng situation mo whether this is the right thing to do. So this can be a business partnership, personal relationship that you are going to enter. Yan, something new. Ano tong 5 of Cups na to? What is the 5 of Cups? The 2 of Pentacles. I think yung iba sa inyo merong na-miss na opportunity sa trabaho, career, or kaperahan. But you know what? Minsan kasi nag-overthink tayo. What if? Kasi sabi nga, kung hindi para sa'yo, hindi para sa'yo. And depende rin yun sa ibibigay mong attention doon, sa ibibigay mong commitment doon. So, kung hindi mo binigyan ng commitment, hindi mo sinubukan, hindi mo ginawa, it only means that it's not for you. Okay? So, there's a new opportunity for you na mas makakabawi ka, mas mabibigyan mo ng chance yung sarili mo na patunayan na marami ka pang kayang gawin. You have the 2 of Cups. You are healing from a relationship, no, in the past. And ngayon, yung healing na yan na yung lakas mo to move on, to finally be with yourself and to love yourself. Sabi nga, mas maganda na unahin mong mahalin yung sarili mo kasi kapag mahal mo yung sarili mo, mas marami kang pagmamahal na maibibigay or ma-share sa iba. You have the Chariot. Wow. So, travel opportunities to. Yung iba sa inyo, Maaaring makakabili kayo ng sasakyan, ma-approve yung inyong loan sa bangko pagdating sa sasakyan, or this is a new direction na magiging successful ka na kung saan, di ba? Ito yung matagal mo nang hinihintay na opportunity. Related to sa travel, sa passion mo, sa creative talents mo, creative skills mo. Let's see your finances. Money, career, finances. For Sagittarius. Money, career, finances for Sagittarius. Yung iba sa inyo maalis na kayo sa magulong sitwasyon sa pera, or maaari kasing meron nangingialam sa decisions ninyo, sa trabaho, career, business, finances. And alam nyo na yun yung parang pumipigil sa inyo na umunlad. So ngayon, ikaw na mismo ang nagbibigay ng opportunity sa sarili mo na mag-explore, sumubok ng bago. Ayan, you are protecting yourself, protecting your energies, you're setting boundaries. Maaring kung dati, panayang bigay mo, panayang tulong mo sa iba. Kaya lang may mga times na pag ikaw na yung may pangailangan, wala nang tumutulong sa'yo. So, you are setting boundaries because you want to protect yourself, you want to build your confidence and also your stability financially. Sa love life, Queen of Cups, the King of Swords, Queen of Pentacles. Mga tao to sa buhay mo, no? I feel like yung iba, if you are in a relationship, you are choosing to be quiet about your relationship. Kumbaga para sa'yo, hindi na kailangang i-share pa kung ano yung nangyayari sa buhay mo personally, for as long as you are happy and contented with the person that you're dealing with. Kahit na may drama sa relationship mo, you feel like it is still na makakabuti kung you just keep it to yourself at ayusin yon silently na hindi na kailangang i-broadcast pa or idamay pa yung ibang tao. Some of you, maaari ring meron kayong aayusin na property ng person mo or someone who is close to you, can be your family member. Pagdating sa resources, or pwedeng hatian din, no? Kung merong mga mana na paghahatian. Let's see what else. Sagittarius. Yung iba sa inyo, if you're connecting with someone romantically, pwedeng meron dito na yung bang confused ka sa feelings mo or sa estado ng confidence mo sa relationship. Kasi parang you feel like walang improvement, or minsan kasi na-outgrow lang natin yung isang tao na akala natin pang matagalan, pero minsan kahit wala naman talagang problema, meron lang mga realization ka sa buhay na hindi pala kayo aligned, hindi pala magkapareho yung interest nyo or mga gusto nyong gawin, or kung magkaiba man, hindi nyo nasusuportahan yung isa't isa. So nagkakaroon ng conflict. But I feel like ngayon, you are focusing on your dreams, your goals. May mga tamang tao, sitwasyon, malalagay ka sa mga connections na tamang tao na tutulong sa'yo, to improve yourself, to discover more about the opportunities na mag-unfold sa'yo. And you're going to use your resources, no? You're going to use your resources in a smart way. Magiging matalino ka sa resources na meron ka. Yan, you have the courage, authenticity, lakas ng loob, and inspiration. Yan yung recipe for success. Being authentic, pagiging totoo sa sarili mo, sa gusto mo, sa nararamdaman mo. And at the same time, malakasin rin yung loob mo na i-pursue yung mga goals mo, yung mga pangarap mo. Dahil ngayon, inspired ka of being more productive, and inspired ka rin na may mapatunayan, hindi lang sa iba but also sa sarili mo. All your needs need a practical plan. Yan. Needs, your dreams. Kung ano man yung mga pangarap mo, mga gusto mong i-achieve sa life mo, kailangan mo ng practical plan. Hindi lang yan yung parang ini-imagine mo lang. You need to plan kung paano mo yon gagawin, paano mo sisimulan, paano mo i-maintain. Diba? Kasi it's about action Planning, tapos action. Diba? Yan, be real. Sag, pinapakita rito ang pagiging totoo sa iyong sarili. Meron kang kailangang i-accept sa sarili mo na, it's okay kung may mga tao na hindi ka matatanggap or hindi ka gusto, hindi mo mapi-please. But the first thing is, ang importante is you are true to yourself kasi ang ma-attract mo, yung mga tao talagang same vibes, same wavelength mo, same energy mo. 'Di ba? And these are your people. So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.